Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So there is good news regarding the seat increment as per the round one seat matrix which would publish on MCC website. So the NB diploma seats goes just doubled, more than double. Okay, from 990 to 1991. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the MCC seat increment details. Okay, for all India quota deemed universities DNB and NB diploma. Okay, we will also do the branch wise seat availability in deemed universities DNB and all India quota, and total how many seats are available. Okay, so if you are new here, you can subscribe the channel and you can join our Telegram group. Okay, and this is the number 9319128677. In order to avail the paid counseling assistance, and our slots are still open. It will be open for few days because it's crucial time. Many candidates have requested us to keep it open after the seat matrix get published, because they were waiting for the seat increment in DNB and diploma particularly. Okay, so here you can see the analysis. Totally 1140 seats got increment, and I'll tell you that I was keep telling that 5 to 6000 or up to 7000 seats will get incremented this year. So I can also prove you that how it's going to match that number. So around 1140 seats got added up in all India quota. Okay, and this is the comparison between last year for round 1 and 2021 round 1 and 2022 round 2. In deemed university, 220 seats got added up. Totally 5093 seats in deemed university, and in all India quota 10954 seats are there. In DNB 3613 seats. In DNB diploma 1991 seats are there. In central universities, including all, 805 seats are there. So totally to 2744, and some seats would be added up from the central institute, which I didn't have mentioned, which I didn't mention here. So around 2750 seats, more than that, already got added here in round 1. Okay, and 1140 seats got added in all India quota, which is 50% of total government seats. Okay, so remaining 50% would be added up in the state counseling at the state level. Okay, so if you add those 1140 seats on top of 2744, then it will be coming around approx 4000. Okay, 4000 in round 1, and you can expect seats increment in private colleges also at the state level. So if you get 2000 seats added up in private colleges, because we had seen that as per the small notifications at the state level from the NMC, more seats are added up in the state level colleges. If you can check out like previous videos. So if you add up 2000, then it's coming around 6000 seats in round 1, including government, private, deemed universities, diploma, and all such things. In round 2, more seats will be added up. Okay, particularly in all India quota and DNB. So it will coming 6 to 7000 approx, which was the number I was telling. And right now you can see that it's only for MCC, and along with MCC and the state level government and private is already around 5000 plus. Okay, which will you will come to know in future as we keep getting seat details for each and every state. Okay, now coming to the seat availability branch wise. So this is the you can also take a screenshot of it. Okay, and you can also know like 10,954 in DNB, 3613 in diploma, 1991, and deemed 5093. And this is the branch wise analysis for deemed universities, DNB, and all India quota. Okay, so you can also capture a screenshot for these two. Okay, and that's what one more thing. In NB diploma, which branches has got how many seats? So in diploma in anesthesia, there are 388 seats. In diploma in family medicine, 257 seats. Diploma in ophthalmology, 193 seats. Diploma in child and health, 363 seats. Diploma in Gynecology, 412 seats. So maximum number of seats available in DGO. DMRD, 166 seats. Just I was mentioning in some other video that last year it was around 80 something. This year it will be just double. I had got to know about it from some of the official sources. And in Diploma in TB in chest, 102, Diploma in ENT, 110. So this is the seat availability branch wise in Diploma. So the cutoff for Diploma, NB Diploma will be definitely take a great positive shift this year, uh, because those seat increment in government will impact the positive shift in government colleges, and further it will be having positive shift on DNB, and the choice preference will have like least priority for NB Diploma, and it will have very good positive shift. So those who were having who are having around 35 to 40,000 though, and they are expecting DGO, so they are good to go. They can expect DGO subjects up to mop up round. Okay, and in DNB Diploma, this 4 6 years courses like cardiothoracic surgery, plastic surgery, neurosurgery, pediatric surgery, these have got 45, 11, 31, and 9 seats. Okay, we didn't get so much of seat increment DNB as we expected more seat to come, but no, nothing to worry. In round 2 we can expect more seats in DNB. Okay, NB Diploma, as expected, it was new course last year. So last year also, as per the NB, all the seats which was displayed initially didn't get approved. But this year more seat I have, and next year we can expect more seats. Round 2 also you can expect some more seats in NB Diploma. So the most positive part is NB Diploma in this matrix. Okay, so that's all from my side, and hope this analysis is useful. It takes quite effort from our side, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.